everybody, welcome back. And this is Gold and Silver Doctor here. I received this package today and I thought to do some unboxing so you guys can see what I got this time. Yeah, I hope everybody is doing good in this hard time. It's hard, it's been 2 months. We didn't go out, just for some groceries, and that's about it. So hope, everything is okay. The prices are very uncertain, the premiums are out of the roof. So I'm not sure, it's a good deal or no, but, it's better to have something instead of just, putting somewhere else in the stocks or something, because it's very uncertain. I lost some money 2 months ago when this pandemic started, so I thought, I'm not gonna bother to invest anything in the stocks in near future, unless the market is stable, because I'm not the guy to take any risk. I just want to just invest something in a steady market. So I think gold is the best thing right now. So let's see what I got. Yeah. All right. Nice. The first one is I got the maple leaf. And that's a platinum 1 ounce platinum maple leaf. That's beautiful. And the second one is, yes, that's a Valcambi Swiss 1 ounce gold bar. Yeah, there is an SA number. So it's a very good bar. I think I had these a long time ago. Then I had to sell it, but I got this one back, so that's good. I hope everybody, do good in this hard time. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.